Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
This is a role play, not your YouTube video.
Hey guys, what's up?
Anne, why didn't you join us for the trip? It was so much fun. We had a blast.
I know, right? That was fun. Why didn't you come, Sahil?
Sahil must be sleeping at home like he's been for the past 2 months.
I wasn't sleeping, bro. I was not in a mood to socialize.
Yes, I understand. I haven't been feeling great for a good amount of time now.
Oh, stop with the excuses. We already have got new friends and you are hanging with them now.
No, that's not how it is. It's just that I'm not feeling bit of myself lately, and it feels like I'm worn out and can't get anything done by myself.
You know, now that I think of it, I have been feeling the same lately.
What do you mean?
You know what, Sahil? I think you're just making a fuss.
No, wait. Can you elaborate on how you're feeling?
I don't know, dude. It has been difficult for me to get out of bed also. Everything seems to be stressed around me. I have lost the ability to keep up with things.
Okay. Chill out, guys. Let's have a couple of drinks and everything will be alright.
Gaurav, this is a role play. You can't say this.
I think this is serious. You both should try talking to your parents, and get some professional help.
Yes, I agree. Getting professional aid will help you a lot.
I think it's a no-brainer that they won't understand. But yes, I'll give it a try.
Look, Anita, your Rajabet has finally decided to grace us with his presence.
Oh, come on, stop bullying him. He's finally left the house after months.
Are you guys done? I have something important to talk to you about.
Not right now. I'm up to my ears in work right now.
I am busy as well. Is it more important than making dinner for the both of you right now?
It's really important. Please listen to me.
I don't think he'll leave until we hear him out. So let's get this over with ASAP.
I haven't been feeling great lately. I don't know what this is about. It is an uphill battle for me to even be myself right now. I think everything is stressing me out 10 times. I even can't concentrate on one goddamn thing. Like, even I have lost my appetite. Mom knows this.
Oh, so what are you trying to say?
It's all because of that PS5. I told you, Anita, we shouldn't have gotten him that thing. He's always locked up in his room with that thing 24/7.
Mom, Dad, I think I have depression.
Huh?
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Beta, wake up early in the morning, do Surya Namaskar 12 times, and your depression will disappear like this. It's like writing on the wall. Your unhealthy routine is the root cause of all your problems.
Sir, is this because of some girl? Come on, tell me. I won't tell your mother. I promise. Come on, spill the beans.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर बहुत बेकार होता है.
You're just sad, nothing else. Depression doesn't exist.
Mom, we are talking about depression, not ghosts.
Shut up. Ghosts are real.
Hello, I'm back.
Welcome back, sir.
Hey, how was your day? Did you have fun with your friends?
Yeah, it was nice seeing them. Just a good change of pace.
What's wrong, dear? Are you hungry? Wait, I'll get something for you to eat.
No, mom, I'm fine. I mean, not really, but I just wanted to discuss something with you both.
What is it, Anand? Is there something bothering you?
It's just that uh, I I don't know how to say it, but I've been feeling a bit low lately.
What is wrong, Anay? Tell us, dear. We will go the extra mile to help you in any way possible, okay?
Maybe we might be able to help.
There is a lot going on right now, and I don't know how to handle it by myself.
It's okay, Anna. We will definitely find out a way to help.
My anxiety has been going through the roof. I don't feel like doing the activities which are fun, and I get easily frustrated. Like on that day, I was shouting at mom for no reason.
It is okay to feel this way, dear. What else is bothering you?
The problem is I don't know why I'm acting like these days, and I don't know how to handle it.
I understand. It's really difficult to read between the lines when your mind is constantly struggling, and we are sorry that you have to go through this. And is there anything we can do to help?
Maybe. I don't know. I know that I might need some help, but I can't figure out how anyone would help me out of this.
Well, there are medical professors who can help you through this. You don't have to go through this alone. We will start from the ground up if necessary.
Will you be comfortable talking to a professional about this?
I don't know how that will work, but I am willing to give it a try.
We will consult you the best therapist we know and get you an appointment.
I'm really very proud of you for speaking up about your mental health. It takes great deal of courage to face these issues, and we promise you to get help as soon as possible. Don't worry, dear, you will be fine, okay?
The dinner was amazing. Thanks for having us.
We loved having you over. Thank you for coming.
It was a lovely dinner, Anita. You are a really amazing cook. Next time, give us the pleasure for hosting you.
Sure, looking forward to that.
Sahil, are you alright? You seem a bit low today.
Yes, he's completely fine. Just a little tired from studying too much. I mean, he has to be ahead of the pack.
Yes, he's tired, but not from studying, because of Dan PS5 of his.
I'm sorry, Mr. Divate, but you shouldn't be this hard on him. What is going on, by the way?
Nothing. It's just this new Western trend he's following. He thinks he's depressed.
He thinks this is serious. Have you talked to him about it?
I don't think that will be necessary. He's just making things up. He just wants reason to skip his classes. He cannot be depressed.
I don't think that's what it is. It's normal for kids to feel down, sad, or irritated, or to be in a bad mood from time to time. But when negative feelings and thoughts linger for a long time and limit a child's ability to function normally, it might be depressing. An irritable, angry mood might seem like a bad attitude or disrespect. Low energy and lack of interest might look like not trying. So it can be hard for us parents to tell whether our child is depressed. But when we know that depression is a real issue, it may turn into a serious problem if we don't help our kids.
Yes, it is better to consult a professional if feelings of sadness or bad mood seem to go on for weeks. When our child talks about being depressed, it is our responsibility as a parent to ensure our child's recovery from that condition. Because when depression is severe, it might lead kids to think about self-harm or even suicide. Depression can make kids feel worthless, rejected, or unlovable. It is hard for them to make an effort even when doing things they used to enjoy. Like I just saw Sahil today while dining that he wasn't talking much about the game on a bot, and that is not very much like him, okay? If we allow our kids to suffer silently, then we are making them feel more miserable than they already are.
Depression and other mood disorders can get better with right attention and care. But problems can also continue to get worse if they are not treated. Medical help seeks to identify and help change potentially self-destructive or unhealthy behavior. And we don't always wish for a child's well-being. You won't want your son to be hurting this way. Better you stop ignoring the signs and address this issue.
A few days back, Anay confronted us regarding the same problem, and we took him for a therapy. You can see how much he has improved over a month. Therapists are professionally trained to empathize one's mental condition and help diagnose the problem. They help us understand our feelings and cope with it by doing various activities, from just talking about the issues to journaling. There are even forms of therapies helping to modify thought patterns in order to change moods and behaviors.
You should consider talking to a therapist for silence. Going to therapy really does help them cope better, communicate better, and do better. Also, we should try to understand that our kids need us to be the person they can turn up to when they are struggling. Instead of cancelling them, just pay a little bit more attention to their problems, or we might just lose the trust of our children.
We shouldn't invalidate the feelings of our kids just because we don't understand those. They should feel free to confide in us regarding any matter. I hope now you must have realized what went wrong.
Hello, beta. We wanted to talk to you about how we behaved previously when you opened up to us about your problems.
We are sorry that we invalidated how you felt and failed to understand what you are going through.
We have realized we made a mistake. We started off on the wrong foot. Please give us a chance to make amends.
We are willing to provide you with professional help and whatever support you may require, we are there for you.
And nice to see you after months. Hope we are doing great now.
Yes, Sahil, I am doing absolutely great now. But why did you randomly plan up this meeting?
Just wanted to catch up with everyone and try getting back into the swing of things.
That's great. I just wanted to check up on you. It was a tough break for me as well.
Also wanted to thank you and your parents. If they wouldn't have convinced my parents for getting me professional help, things would have been very difficult for me right now.
It was difficult to start from square one, but we powered through it and I am proud for both of us.
Couldn't agree more. Difficult times do make us strong. The only thing which I learned during this phase was to be optimistic in my life and not burden myself.
Yes, bro.
In today's world is necessary. Many people went into depression last year because they went pink slip, previously known as melancholia and now known as clinical depression, a mental health disorder characterized by persistently depressed moods, which can even lead to a variety of physical and mental disorders. You can have a problem doing your day-to-day activities and even think that life is not worth living. Around 264 million people in this world suffer depression and over 8 lakh people die due to depression every year.
Depression is caused due to state of low mood and aversion to activities. It affects person's thoughts, behavior, motivation, and the sense of well-being. It is classified as mental and behavioral disorder.
What can you guys do to help such people out? Your small gestures such as patting them on the back and saying that you got this can make their day. Randomly appreciating your friends, family and strangers around you can make their day also. You can go the extra mile to help people out who are saying they are depressed. You can try getting them professional help. A report suggests that only 2% of the people who have taken professional help commit suicide. So you are saving lives also.